Children, in this video I will cover non-metallic oxides. Now, what are non-metallic oxides? Non-metallic oxides are produced when any non-metal combines with oxygen. It forms non-metallic oxide. Okay, now let us take few examples of non-metallic oxides. I am taking non-metal as carbon here. Okay, so if you take carbon and when it reacts with oxygen, what will be produced? CO2 will be produced, carbon dioxide will be produced, okay, in presence of heat. So this will be non-metallic oxide. All right. Now, second example, sulfur. Sulfur is a non-metal again, and when you react sulfur with oxygen, presence of heat, you get sulfur dioxide. Now, third non-metal, I am taking nitrogen. Okay, so nitrogen N2 I have taken here plus oxygen. Okay, so when you react nitrogen and oxygen, and this reaction occurs at extremely high temperatures, means during thunderstorm and lightning this reaction occurs or takes place. So at high temperature it occurs, okay, greater than 2800 degrees Celsius. So what is formed? Nitric oxide is formed. Alright, so nitrogen non-metal, oxygen, and what is formed? Nitric oxide is formed, which is non-metallic oxide. Now one more example, hydrogen. Hydrogen is a non-metal. It is reacting with oxygen at high temperatures. What is produced? H2O is produced. So H2O is produced. Okay, so now these oxides, if you notice, they all are formed from non-metal and oxygen. Okay, so these are non-metallic oxides. They are formed by combination of or direct combination of non-metal with oxygen. Okay, now non-metallic oxides, they are divided into two categories, acidic oxide and neutral oxides. Now what are neutral oxides? Neutral oxides are those oxides which are neither acidic nor basic in nature. ये ना एसिडिक होती हैं ना बेसिक होती हैं, इसीलिए ये न्यूट्रल ऑक्साइड होती हैं. ओके, यानी कि ये जो है ये इंडिकेटर का कलर चेंज नहीं करेंगी. दे विल नॉट चेंज द कलर ऑफ इंडिकेटर्स. ओके, इंडिकेटर कलर इज चेंज्ड ओनली बाय एन एसिड और बाय अ बेस, ओके, और alkali. So they are neutral oxides. Now some examples of neutral oxides are written over here. H2O, okay, water, carbon monoxide, nitric oxide and nitrous oxide. So these are the four examples mentioned here. They are neutral oxides. ये non-metal है, hydrogen non-metal है, carbon non-metal है, यहाँ पे nitrogen non-metal है. Okay, in these two cases. So they will not change the color of litmus paper or any other indicator. Now let us study acidic oxides. Now as the name says or name tells you, acidic oxides are acidic in nature. So they will react with bases to form salt and water. Okay, they will give neutralization reaction. They will also change the color of indicator. They will turn moist blue litmus into red. So litmus, you know, it is an indicator. Okay, it is a chemical substance which by changing its color tells whether substance is acidic or basic in nature. So it is a type of indicator, litmus. So acidic oxide will change the color of litmus. So they turn moist blue litmus into red. Remember this is an important point. Now children, next important point is most of the non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Okay, again for revision, they turn moist blue litmus into red. Now moist blue litmus into red, why? Because they form acid in presence of water. So this is non-metallic oxide which is acidic in nature. So this is acidic oxide. Okay, so acidic oxide, when they react with water, they form what? They form acids. Okay, and acids are responsible for turning moist blue litmus into red. Okay, or blue litmus into red. Since there is moisture, so moisture means water, so acidic oxide are combining with water and they are forming acids, and acids are turning blue litmus into red litmus. Now let us see few example. This is example of acidic oxide. So here all the acidic oxides are written and here they are reacting with water. Okay, now let us see what is the product form, means what is the acid form when these acidic oxide react with water. So carbon dioxide, when it reacts with water, we all know that it forms carbonic acid. So H2CO3. When sulfur dioxide reacts with water, now children, sulfur dioxide, so when sulfur dioxide is reacting, it forms sulfurous acid. Many of you in confusion write sulfuric acid. Now children, when sulfur dioxide is reacting, it forms sulfurous acid. So formula of sulfurous acid is H2SO3. Okay, this is sulfurous acid. Now when sulfur trioxide, it reacts with water, it produces sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Okay. Now when this is important reaction, which acidic oxide or which non-metallic oxide on reacting with water or on reaction with water produces two different types of acids. ओके, दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कि कौन सी ऐसी नॉन मेटालिक ऑक्साइड है या एसिडिक ऑक्साइड है जो वाटर से रिएक्ट करके दो डिफरेंट टाइप्स की या टू टाइप्स की एसिड बनाती है. सो इट इज नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड. Nitrogen dioxide is reacting with water and what is being formed? Nitrous acid and nitric acid. So one acid is HNO2, this is nitrous acid, okay, and HNO3, this is nitric acid. Alright, so in nutshell if I tell you, acidic oxide when they react with water they form acid. So see, all these are acids. H2CO3 is an acid, H2SO3, H2SO4, HNO2, HNO3. Now acidic oxides, next important point, acidic oxides react with bases and alkalis or alkalis to produce salt and water. So they give neutralization reaction. So take one example, SO2. So sulfur dioxide is an acidic oxide. ये base से react कर रही है. So acid and base. Okay, so acid and base, they produce salt and water. So K2SO3, this is a salt and water is produced.